Hi everybody, welcome back. We came out to the BNSF again today. We tried it a couple days ago. It was very windy, kind of getting some poor quality audio, so we thought we'd try it again. We're in Lisle today, 28 miles west of Chicago Union Station, along the BNSF Chicago subdivision. Lisle's population of around 20,000 people, of course a western suburb of Chicago, and home to the busiest Metra commuter line by ridership in the entire Metra system. The line extends from Union Station in Chicago to Aurora on the west end. There's talks of a lot of Metra expansion, talks of extending the line all the way out to Rockford. I'm not sure if they're going to extend the Chicago sub or not. I think there was talk of taking it out to Sugar Grove. We'll have to wait and see on that. Either way, we got some trains coming. We just missed an Amtrak train, but we got some other stuff on the way here, so thanks for watching again. I don't know if you can see in the video here, it looks like we've got a freight train stopped a ways down there. You can kind of see its dim headlight. Of course, uncertain which direction it's facing. It's going to come this way or continue the other way. But even if it doesn't move, we'll have plenty more action here. First Metra catch of the day, inbound commuter train just leaving the Lisle station heading toward Chicago. Alright, so that was a commuter train outbound pulling into Lisle station to drop some folks off from work. And we're still kind of taking a peek at this stopped freight. I don't know, probably 2 or 3 miles down the line. And as we listen to the cicadas going crazy in the trees behind us, another train coming. You guys can see that better than I can. I can't tell if it's a Metra. I'm guessing an outbound Metra, but could be something different. I haven't checked any of the schedules. Just going to be surprised today. Actually, looks like an Amtrak. And again, I don't have the schedule up. Not certain which train this is. I'm sure somebody watching can tell me. It's 2:34 in the afternoon on the Thursday before Memorial Day weekend. Next stop for that one, Naperville. All right, I went ahead and looked that Amtrak train up. That was the California Zephyr heading from Chicago to Emeryville, train number 5, I believe. And in looking at the map on the Amtracker, we have the other California Zephyr that should be coming through any minute here, going towards Chicago from California. Of course, they'll make its stop in Naperville, its last stop before it hits Chicago Union Station. Try to keep an eye out for it as I talk here. I don't want to miss it, but we'll bring that to you as well. There's a green light on track 3. That's the farthest track from us of the 3, and I would assume that is for that Amtrak train that'll be coming around the curve here any second. And here it comes. Next stop, Chicago. Again, we're about 28 miles west of downtown. Alright, kind of a little lull in the action here. Nearest Metra train is coming from Chicago. It's still in Cicero, I don't know, 20 miles away. Amtracker is all clear. No more Amtrak trains for a while. So with those out of the way, got a flashing yellow for track 3. I almost have to think that we're going to have an eastbound freight coming through, and then perhaps after that happens, the one sitting down there maybe will come this way. So we're in standby mode. Put the hat on. It's warm outside and I'm getting sunburned. Alright, so that freight that we saw parked a few miles down there, that was obviously the rear of the train because it took off and left. But it also cleared up the track. We've got a yellow, solid yellow for track 2, flashing yellow for track 3. So we're going to keep our eyes peeled to the west for some eastbound trains here pretty soon. Alright, we've got the highball on track 1 now for eastbound. Still no Metra trains coming from the west just yet. The last one out still in Aurora. But we do have this outbound Metra coming that we talked about being in Cicero just a little bit ago. It's coming around the curve and we'll be here shortly. There goes our head of train device, hopefully for one of these eastbound freight trains that should be coming shortly. And speak of the devil, here it comes. See the headlights shining on the Metra cars. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that freight train, the Amtraks and the Metras. Like I said, wanted to get back out here where it's not so windy. Last video wasn't such good audio quality. Hopefully today will be a little bit better. As you celebrate this weekend, it's the Thursday now before Memorial Day weekend, the unofficial start to summer. As you celebrate that with backyard barbecues and family and whatever else you might do, just take a moment to think about and thank those who gave the ultimate sacrifice for their country this Memorial Day. Thank you for watching. We'll get you some video again soon. We're going to head to Southern Illinois, the Shawnee National Forest, do some family stuff down there. I'm sure we'll be able to grab some train video for you from down there. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.